In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch your Windows PC from one Microsoft account to another using a quick local account swap. Before we begin, make sure you've saved your work because you'll be signing out briefly during this process. It helps to have a stable internet connection and the credentials for the new Microsoft account ready. Start by opening the Settings app on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon, or by pressing the Windows key +I on your keyboard. In Settings, choose Accounts. This is where Windows manages your sign-in, sync, and profile options. Next, go to your info. On this page, look for the option that says Sign in with a local account instead under Account Settings. Click it. Windows will guide you through a short set of prompts. The idea here is to temporarily move your profile from being tied to your current Microsoft account to a local account. This doesn't delete your files or apps, it simply changes how you sign in. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm, and Windows will sign you out. You'll then sign back in using the local account you just set up. If you're asked to create a PIN or verify your identity, complete those prompts so you can proceed. Once you're back on the desktop with your temporary local account, open Settings again, return to Accounts, and go to your info. Now you'll see the option to sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Click that. Enter the credentials for the new Microsoft account you want to use. Windows may ask you to verify via a code or to set up a PIN for quick sign-in. Just continue following the prompts. When this finishes, your user profile will be linked to the new Microsoft account. At this point, your sign-in method has been updated successfully. Your personal files and desktop remain in place, and you'll now have the benefits of the new account, such as syncing settings, accessing Microsoft Store purchases tied to that account, and connecting to services like OneDrive. If any apps ask you to sign in again, that's normal after an account switch. To recap, you opened Settings, moved to a local account temporarily, signed back in, and then connected that same profile to the new Microsoft account. It's a safe and straightforward way to replace the account attached to your Windows sign-in without creating a brand new profile. Thanks for watching, and take your time with each prompt to ensure everything links to the right account.